see what we can do here. Up the hill with this one. We don't want to put him in this pucker brush. Oh, I wonder if we can dump him. He's gonna go. Oh, he's leaning. Oh, he's kind of leaning with me a little bit. That might hit me. I want to shoot him right there. I don't really want to shoot him there. Also, don't want to hit a horse. He'll go that way, but I'm more open that way. It'd be easier to skid him out that way than it would be to skid him out that way. I just don't like those trees. I can shoot him in the middle. My fence is there. I got these two. It'd be nice to get that guy out of the way. Some days you're on, and some days you're off. And today I'm off. They're going in the right direction. She was just oh, it's fine. see how it works driving with my folding belt. Oh man. I've never had the luxury of driving where I wanted to go. I like it. This is, now, if you could do this all day, this would be nice. Let's just drive to the next tree. That's easy. Okay. I like it. I like to drive to the next tree. Nah, that was ugly. It did not go where I wanted to go. I mean, it faced out, but I hate it when I do that. Oh yeah, let's hit my truck. This would be awesome. Let's park the truck in the way of the tree. And go from there. Okay, let's see where we're going to take these ones. Oh man, he's really playing with me. Oh, look at that. Let's just drop them side by side. Nice. Which way are you gonna go, bud? Oh man. Can I? Can I get that out of it? It really wants to go that way. What? I'm busting my hinge on that one side. Keep peeling off, man. I need my wedge. Give it to me. Give it back. Fine. See this? Right there. It's peeling that whole seam off. She's leaning that way up my truck. If I hit on these wedges, it's pulling up on that seam. I got to get underneath the lean. And there she goes. And pulled all that. That's where it was breaking at. That's the big old collar. I didn't want her to go in my truck. That's awesome. That one was supposed to go over farther. I hit that tree like I didn't want to. That one was pretty fun. It would have hit my truck. Oh, but I would have raked right off those oaks. And gone right on to the fence. He would not have been happy with me then. Oh, look at me getting my cutter teeth on this metal. Log back in here. What happened to my foot? Oh, am I leaking mud? No, I'm not. It's a good thing. If it was mud, that'd be bad.